Integration errors on LearnDash can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach, you can resolve them quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issues. Step 1. Check plugin compatibility. Ensure that all your plugins, including LearnDash and any integration plugins, are updated to their latest versions. Incompatible versions can lead to errors. Step 2. Review settings. Go through the integration settings in LearnDash. Make sure that all required fields are filled out correctly and that the settings match the requirements of the third-party service you are integrating with. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear your website's cache, as well as your browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause integration issues, and clearing it can help refresh the connection. Step 4. Disable conflicting plugins. Before starting recovery, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to LearnDash support or the support team of the third-party service. Provide them with detailed information about the error for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on LearnDash efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.